Hey guys, it's Barb with Barb Designs, and I'm here to show you a super fun way to get around the old Mod Podge. You may have seen some napkin designs before where you coat it with Mod Podge. That's a little messy, and so I'm going to show you a way that you can get the same result with saran wrap in your iron. It's crazy. Okay, so I'm going to take a piece of saran wrap and get it ready. In fact, I'm going to I was going to cut it in two, but now I've got it all tangled. Let's see if I can still slice that in half. All right, so I'm going to lay a piece of saran wrap or whatever kind of cling wrap you have down on my egg, okay? Then I'm going to take a napkin, and here's the important part. You have to separate the napkin layers, which really is the hardest part. There's usually 3 layers, and having a straight pin of some sort helps. And I think I've got the 2 layers there. Yep. So I was able to take off the top layer in the first go round. First try. All right. Next, I'm going to just lay the napkin down on top of the saran wrap and set my iron on top. That is it. And I'm just going to let it melt that saran wrap to the napkin and the wood and pull up. I think that is good. Doesn't take long. And next, all you need to do is just pull down and away. This egg's still a little hot. Pull down and away with the napkin. And then you can do the same with the saran wrap. Just pull down and it will pop off. Then you can just use an emery board or sandpaper and just push down against that edge. Make sure you're going down with a downward motion. And there you go. You have a gorgeous egg and no mess. Just a few scraggles of paper. Now, I always like to add a little something extra to that I make. So I always edge the edge of the surface with some ink. I just think it gives it more dimension. And so there you go. This is how you can make some beautiful decor with napkins. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you need the eggs, I don't have available, but if you need these bunnies, then just leave a comment and I can get some to you. I have some to sell. All right, thanks for watching.